Hello my fellow shoppers, welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out and opening up Darkness Ablaze Pokemon booster box. So we're going to give you guys some free codes and also open up some packs here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and grab a couple different artworks. Ooh, look at that artwork. That's cool. So we just grabbed 4 from the front and we're going to go ahead and check them out. See what we get. Alright guys, this is the one that had the Charizard cover. I believe that's Charizard, right? Oh my, so let's give you guys a free code to start off. First come, first serve. Whoever enters it gets it. Alright, we're going to start off opening this pack here. Ooh, I like the artwork. Some cool artwork. Alright, here we go. And our rare. Okay, next up. Yeah, this might be some of my favorite artwork. And the rare. Ooh, we'll take that, we'll take that. Next up. We'll take that. Alright, last but not least. Come on, give us something good. Alright, here we go. What do we got? What do we got? Alright, so those were our rares, hollows that we got. Not too bad, not too bad. If you guys are still watching, there you go. There's another free one. See you guys on the next one.